everybody. Moment of Cerebus, interim editor Manly Matt Dow here again with another unboxing video with another fun box from the Waverly Press. And what's in the box? What's in the box? Pretty sure it's not Gwyneth Paltrow's head. So, starting at the bottom of the box, it's Spawn 10 in the shiny plastic bag. The Health Society, High Society parody cover. And then the Fear of Spawn Platinum cover, signed by Dave Sim. The Color Spawn 10 cover, parodying the original Spawn 10 cover. Ooh, what's this? Spawn 10 with the close-up of Dave's Spawn looking in, I believe, Peter's place. Signed by Dave Sim. Was the last one signed? I don't think the last one was signed. Oh yeah, here's the back cover of the... let's go back and look at the back covers real quick. Oh, okay. So, if you take the back cover of the Health Society and the back cover of... Wait, no, wrong one. Of this one, see? They go... They'll make this image. Oh, and see in that part right there with that. So apparently you need to get all the covers. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, the Haunt of Spawn, the distressed. You know, it's printed to look distressed with a distressed background, all cloudy and distressed. What's this one? The Fear of Spawn, the EC parody cover, distressed, with also distressed. I'm not pulling them out of the bags. I'm trying to get this done. The Spawn 10 Ga superhero comic cover with the Ga, a funny animal, and the back cover of that one. So it's like Cerebus, the first Mind Games issue. Ooh, the Haunt of Spawn. See, it's got a parody or a vintage stamp on it from the printer or from the distributor, and it's distressed. All right, I gotta move these because they're gonna fall. And then what's next? What's next? Ooh, Spawn 10 crossing over cover. The promotional copy with the text that if you pause you can read the whole thing. Hopefully. The Fear of Spawn, not distressed cover. Ooh, Spawn 10 Health Society gold print with the gold on the back. The Ga Color gold print cover with the gold on the back. The Weird Society Platinum Edition. This guy. I wonder who that could be. Maybe it's Gerhard. Huh? I think it's Gerhard? Ooh, that's signed by Dave. And the back is platinum. The Vault of Spawn Platinum, signed by Dave. I believe all the Platinums are signed. And then, you know. So here, I'll hold it sideways. Everybody turn your head sideways and you'll see. See? Two covers go together, make the big image. So you have to get all four of them to make the image. Presumably there's four. Weird Society, the regular version. Yeah, that's definitely Gerhard. This guy's definitely Gerhard. And the back cover in red. Alright, this stack's got to go down. Let's keep going. Alright. The Vault of Spawn, the regular edition. Back cover. Which means if you get the regular edition of this one, the regular edition one, it's going to be different colors. Alright, so for those of you playing at home, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different covers. And then number 17, Spawn 10, the superhero hand cover. In the back. The Weird Society distressed one with the drink marks, like somebody put their drinks on it. And printed with tape over Gerhard. That's Gerhard. That's definitely Gerhard. I've seen him leap tall buildings in single bound. And the back, all distressed. And it printed distressed, not actually distressed. But I can take care of that in about 15 minutes if you really want me to. The regular cover of The Haunt of Spawn. Betty White has never looked better. Manly Tears. Celestial Service. And the back is purple. Right? I think that's purple. Or deep blue, maybe. I don't know. I'm partially colorblind. I'm going to put that one there. Move the big old stack over here. Alright. Next, we're going to save that to the end. How many more of these are there? Jeez. A lot of them. Alright. And next. Alright. So next is the gold Ga color. Ga gold. Is that, see? Yeah, neat, neat. Isn't that? That's a joke on a joke. Cerebus is holding a little ciggy. Because this is back when Dave smoked. And the back cover in gold. The Haunt of Spawn Platinum. Featuring Betty White, signed by Dave. If somebody gets one of these signed by Betty White, let me know and I'll send you an awesome prize of some sort. Back cover. Spawn 10, the gold of the hands. And the gold back cover. And then Dave actually faxed me this image. It's Spawn 10 with one of the rejected covers. This is the cover that Dave kept working on. He just couldn't get it to work. But it's number 61 out of 200. And the back cover's, it's purple, right? Yeah, it's purple. Or dark blue. Okay. So how many covers are we up to now? For those of you at home who are Spawn completists who are going to die because you don't have them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, wait. We'll do it this way. Pop that. Hold on. I need a standy upper. We will use a VHS copy of Werewolves on Wheels. This wasn't in the box. I just have this stand sitting on my desk. All right. So they don't all fall down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let's see, they're falling. Getting all shattered. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, slightly heavier weight. Alright. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, stand up there. 23, 24, the Spawn 10 blank cover, number 42, on focus, 42 or 350, the one where you can sketch your own cover. How many did I say that was? Somebody is shouting right now going, you said it was 20 bucks. Alright. The number 42 threw me off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Number 24 is the blank one. And then, bum ba da dum bum bum, without further ado, number 25, the Grandma edition. Let's see, what does it say? Remember to always brush your teeth after every meal. A heart being your friend, because the Grandma edition. And then the back. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Look both ways when crossing the street. Don't ever hurt anyone's feelings ever for any reason. Flowers are people just like us. See these little flowers? Dave added that for this cover. I don't think they're on the original uncensored version, which is 100% upstairs. 100% humor-free. So that's 25. And well, lastly, but not leastly, the Grandma Edition Platinum Edition. Okay, it's Platinum. With the trading card. And the trading card is actually the uncensored There's Going to Be Trouble. So that's 26. 27 and 28, the non-Grandma editions are upstairs, and I got those from Dave. And I probably should have brought them down, but they weren't in the box. So there you go. All 26 Waverly Press Spawn 10s. A mountain of Spawn. And I just want to point out, for the record, let me set this down. 26 copies. Spawn 10, remastered 2020 edition. And every single copy, other than the cover, is exactly the same. As an example, here's the Health Society. And it's you know, Spawn 10, Spawn 10, I am Spawn, I am not Spawn. Hold on a second, where is she? No, that ain't. No, that ain't. There she is. 26 comics, 26 copies, 26 Betty Whites. You know, the Violator and the $1 Billion Dress. It's the same book. There's nothing extra. There's nothing special. Well, actually, there's stuff extra. What's it really? Okay, there's the last page of the original issue, and then this, which they used on the trading cards. This, which, if I get a good scan of it, is going to be a t-shirt on the TeePublic store. This, which is one of Dave's preliminary drawings. Unfinished variant cover of Spawn 10. Can I get this to focus? Focus. There we go. Spawn 10 story notes. Dave's script. Dave's original script. All his notes from the notebooks. Yeah, this is a little service drawing. The cover gallery. So there's the original Todd McFarlane cover. There's the recreation by Dave of God Color. There's the Hands cover. There's the superhero comic cover, Hell Society. The pencil cover that Dave didn't finish. This is the cover that I did a parody of that I will post an image of below this video on A Moment of Cerebus when I post it tomorrow. Cerebi from Dave's Recreation. And then the original Cape Ben's 500 yards Cerebus Spawn drawing from 1992. So that's the book. That's what you paid for, and you got all 26 covers. You paid for a comic that has 26 violators in dresses made of $1 billion. So it's $26 billion worth of violator dresses. Think about how neat that is. So there you go. That was what was in the box. I look forward to the desperate emails from people saying that cover wasn't available. I really wasn't following it. I wasn't paying attention. I have an original Spawn 10 from 1992 that more than filled my violator in a $1 billion dress. But these are really, really, really neat. I'm glad I got them. Yeah. So there you go. 26 Spawns. 26. I'm going to stack these up right here on my VHS tapes that I use when I film Please Hold for Dave Sim. So there you go. 26 Spawn 10s. Yeah. So if you ordered them, they're getting shipped. If you haven't got shipping confirmation yet, just wait a day, and if you still haven't gotten it after a day, then send an email. But don't send progressively more desperate emails, because the postal services goes as fast as the postal service goes. But there you go, Spawn 10. Funny. And I look forward to doing this again in a few months for the Turtles 8, which is going to have probably one cover. I can't imagine Dave doing this kind of stuff again. Oh wait, Service number 2 is going to come first, and that's going to have at least 3 covers, because I've shared the art for those. Thanks for watching. This is the part on everybody else's videos where they say that spiel about the buttons below the video. I don't care. I just put the videos up because I can, and it's fun. And there you go. What was in the box, man? What was in the box? Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Amok by, clicking on it and dealing with my bullcrap. And tune in a couple weeks for Please Hold for Dave Sim of April 2020. Okay, here's the postscript. Some Margaret List posted on the Facebook group saying that they're numbered for some of the covers. So, the Hell Society number 10 is number 61 out of 650. Focus. And the Spawn 10 Grandma edition, Platinum, is 62 out of 125. And the Grandma edition, the regular one, is 61 out of 195. We already saw that this is 42 out of 350. 42, of course, being the ultimate answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything, and was my second choice for my Cerebus Archive Portfolio Edition number. I have number 37 because that was my first choice. Alright, number 61 out of 200. number 61 out of 350 for the gold edition. Oh yeah, that last one was the sketchy cover. The Haunt of Spawn Platinum is 61 out of 300. And the gold cover is number 61 out of 350. The Haunt of Spawn, the non-distressed, just regular Haunt of Spawn, is 61 out of 200. Oh, and it's 10 cents, but only in 1953. That's funny. Weird Society is number 61 out of 100. And it's also only 10 cents in 1953. This is the distressed cover. 61 out of 100. Spawn 10. Oh, yeah. The superhero cover is number... Guess what number? 61 out of 650. Regular Weird Society is 61 out of 200. The Vault of Spawn is... This is the regular edition of Vault of Spawn. 61 out of 200. The Vault of Spawn, signed by Dave, Platinum Edition, is 61 out of 300. Weird Society, the Platinum Edition, is, guess, yeah, that's right, 61 out of 300. The Gold Spawn Got a Superhero cover is 61 out of 350. Hell Society Gold is number 61. Come on, focus. 61 out of 350. The Fear of Spawn, the regular non-distressed edition, is hard to see because it's black on purple, but it's 61 out of 300? 200. 61 out of 200. See, it's not going to focus. No. Crossing Over, the promotional copy doesn't have a number printed on the outer copy. It may in fact be on the inside cover. I'm not opening the bag and dealing with that right now. The Vault of Spawn distressed cover is number 61 out of 100. Where's the number? The Spawn 10 Got a Superhero comic is number 61 out of 650. The Fear of Spawn distressed cover is number 61 out of 100. Focus, come on. Yep, there you go. 61 out of 100. The Haunt of Spawn distressed cover is number 61 out of 100. So there's only 100 of these. Oop. Yeah, this is here, I'll do the quick pan and scan. There is my Divine Comedy. There is a Secret Project. There's the thing I put the drawings on for Fleecehold for Dave Sim. There is my Mandalorian action figure and my Luke Skywalker from The Last Jedi action figure. And the hotline to the Off-White House. Behind that is a nuclear explosion. Anyway, the Fear of Spawn Platinum is number 61 out of 300. The Spawn 10 special, I don't know what exact, it's the Spawn looking in at Peter's place is number 61 out of 350. And lastly, but not leastly, Spawn 10 with Dave's version of Todd's cover is the GA color is number 61 out of 650. So I believe, unless I'm completely wrong here, 61. The only one I got that's not number 61 is the Spawn 10 Platinum Grandma Edition, which I think was the second printing, or the second chance. I don't remember that debacle completely. But the rest of them are number 61 out of their various print runs, which is the main reason I was giving the numbers, is because that's how many there are of each issue for the completest out there who are looking for the rarest ones or the most common ones. All in a box. All from the Waverly Press. All for your viewing